Yeah. Yes, you're walking Baxter now, huh? Yeah. And you don't have pants on because they got food all over them. And it's almost bedtime, so there's no point in getting out a new, clean pair of shorts. Yep. Yeah, yeah. You gotta tell Baxter, let's go. Say, Baxter, let's go. Before he pees on us. Hi, sweet pea. Okay, let's go. You gotta pull hard. Look at those leg muscles. Pull them. Yeah. Mommy will help you.